Hi everyone, Alex here, and honestly speaking, I'm so happy to come back to YouTube videos and my previous video about 150 to H course in Stanford Continuous Study. Honestly speaking, I really understand that I have been missed out recording the videos to you guys and about all the holidays that have been also my some interesting things during the work, so I didn't have a lot of time to make videos, but I hope that things this time it will be much more often and you will like it. I hope so. Let's discover what would be next. So today I will be telling you about no-code AI and Tech 78. So it calls no-code AI unlock business potential, and that's very interesting course that I would like to tell you. And there was some information that I want to um, tell you about. So firstly, that's the course that isn't created for developers. There was really so many developers. As I remember, there was only 2 developers, me and one more guy, and most of people, they have been CEOs, they have been managers, and so you'll have a question: why have I go to this course if I want to discover how to write AI? Why I'm going to no code AI? Like, what's the sense of that? But there is a really interesting thing that I was thinking about. So firstly, if you're going to no code AI, what I was thinking about is you will take less time for coding but more for understanding which methods are using to for create that or another artificial intelligence and such things. And firstly, I was right. And for me, this course that was really interesting, it was a little bit more interesting than 152H, but they're different. And on speaking, I have taken a lot of knowledge from all of these courses, but you need to understand what you will get from these courses. So let's go and discover what you will get here. Yeah. So firstly, your lecturer would be Gother. Sorry if I am mistaken how to pronounce that. Excuse me, because your professor will be from the French, and he is really powerful. So he also have a lot of knowledge in the back, and I really recommend you to speak out with him because a lot of things. And firstly, what it will be targeting on, you'll be targeting about the data, and that really makes a huge impact for your AI knowledge, because here you won't be taking like how you need to write the first code, because you won't be focusing on that. And also, if you don't know coding, that's completely not necessary. You just come counter and you will understand how to work with it. Because firstly, you will be speaking about the data and the models and how you can make that easier to work, how you can make all of these things to be working without even one line of the code, and mostly of free. That honestly speaking, when I have figured it out, I was so shocked that it's really so easy. It's really so cool to make it. So you can really create your artificial intelligence that will make a classification of the flowers just in a minute. The most important that you need to have, that's the data, and how you should make the data, which format you need to use, which fields are need to be used, and which fields are really this that you really need to have. Yeah. So that's what you really should know about the course. That would be really practicing in the field of data, how to create artificial intelligence, and there would be a lot of interesting stuff. But once more time, most of the time, I think 70% of the course, it was really interesting to me. I was trying to understand a lot of new things, and when I have figured it out, The last courses, they have been harder, not to me, but for people who have been not familiar with programming, because you will be writing the code with artificial intelligence, and the professor will tell you how to do that. Because there was some interesting stuff that you just need to see. You just need to understand how to write this prompt, and hope that he will make videos for all of us. So you will be also discover that. But if not, you can also enroll the course, and I definitely recommend you to do that. Also, there was also meetings before our class. They have been longer, so it was like the previous one, as I remember, it was like 1 hour before, or 45 minutes, but this one is like 2 hours, 3 hours before the class. And we have been taking a big table with some pizza and all the stuff. That was much funnier, but it was rarely. We have been taking that like 2 or 3 times, something like that. Yeah, and yeah, this is information just to know. So there is also a lot of people, but this course has been taken only on site. It wasn't online. On speaking, the only one course that was online, that was that Tech 152H. So this one wasn't. It was only on site, and it was interesting and more interesting because he can come to you. There was less pauses, because when you had that course, there was some pauses because the people on the Zooms, they also have been speaking out, and it needs to be have time. We need to discover if the sound quality is okay for them, and so on. So in this course and another course, there won't be such problems. So it will be only on site, and that makes also interesting stuff. Yes, so he's also, as I know, he's also work in Berkeley. So if you want to speak with him, or you want to enroll the courses, you also can go to the Berkeley. So yeah, Stanford, Berkeley, maybe some other university, but I personally don't know. You can figure that out. Yes, mostly what should you know about this course in total? That's firstly, that's about the data, about how which models, functions do you really should take, how to make less cost on making AI, and how to make it fast and easy. These things, mostly of all, will help you to gather the data, to analyze that. I don't think that that will help you to create a big model, for example. Let it be YouTube AI, how it recommends videos to you. So please hit the like and subscribe button, to write a comment, so this video will push us to the top. Yes, so you won't take such algorithms, like such big algorithms with the thing that he is talking about, but it will help you, really help you to understand how to create such. So that I think that you will like it. Yeah, so I think this is my top 2 course. 150H was my top 3rd course. And let's figure it out that others too, that I have also been enrolled to. And so that's all. I will be looking to see you on the next video. So please hit subscribe button to know when the next video will be. Waiting for you. All the best.